This is how we're going to start this adventure off. My last vehicle was dedicated to my mom, which is Pinky Olivia Gibson. Well, this one right here is going to be dedicated to my dad, Mr. Rudolph Antonio Gibson, because he loved cars too, like me. That's our 66 Caprice back there with the 6-fold hubcaps on it. Back in the day, if you watch my videos, you'll see that house in the background. Shows you how long we've been in this neighborhood. Evolved, he got the Porsche later on down the line. This is where the Rudy J part comes in at, because the plate on this car, I didn't know it had Rudy J on it. So when he traded this Porsche in for the Pinto, which has a whole story goes with it, here's where the plate starts off, Rudy J right there. And so which evolved to the Volkswagen over here. When we moved to Oregon, bam, 66 Volkswagen as Rudy J. Rudy J. So when this bike is complete, it's going to be dedicated to my dad, Rudy J. Because my mom was riding with me on the other bike. So my dad going to be with me on this one. He's still here with us. So, you know, and I told him about it. Oh, he must have laughed. He said, what? I said, you want JR or you want J? He said, hey, put that Rudy J, because Rudy J is what the other car said. I said, okay, I got you.
Stack model done did it again.
I've seen dreams and fortunes made out here. Okay. Is it possible to put it in the other way, front ways in?
We'll set it down right here and then I'll reverse it. Can you slide the straps off and then I'll flip around?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Project Geico 2024 Road Glide edition. So what we have here is, I don't know what they call this paint scheme here, but we have a 2024 Road Glide N24. My thing is then, if I can't afford it, well, I can show build it, because my hand skills is good. My money may not be all the way up there, but I can make it happen. You know, don't just open up the door, I'll get it myself. So the goal is to be in the new category, because the people who I see are innovating on this bike stuff, they went out and purchased the bike themselves and said, hey, let me show you what I can do with this. And then once they do it, it'll be like, hey, I can do this for you. Holla at me. So, you know, in order to be in that category or that loop, I need to be there too. So, you know, if we're about that life, I don't think we're going to go as deep or wild as we did on the previous bike. Only time will tell, but this is just the start of how we started here. And wait a second. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm looking at different stuff and ideals that are out there. So I'm gonna leave it at that and just let it take it where it take it. Now I'm not out to beat Nunu or outdo that bike, but this is the newer version of that bike, so we're gonna see where this goes. Like I said, you know, we're not gonna be stock, I can tell you that. Even if we do use this color here, it's not gonna be a stock version. We're gonna have to jazz it up, put my taste onto it. So stay tuned when the stereo installation. First startup, we're gonna let him run a little bit, check the fluids in him and whatnot. But as you can hear, we on, baby, we on, big baby. All right, I'm feel good. See something here. If you didn't know, this is how you turn a bike on like that. That part.